I am a boy. I can cheat on you. Why I no go cheat on you? When I remember who make this statement. The guy where they say he catching girlfriend for hotel with another man, we give a slide. Tell the girl say he get right to cheat and the girl no get right. Ngwana don't bring the latest update. This one the lady herself don't come outside, and now she don't finally tell us. So she say no be true. All the things where the boy thought in her life, she no cheat on the guy. Say the guy now the guy even call him when she go that place. The boy and his friends, all of them gather together, beat her, they molest her. Now she don't come outside. They ask for help. So I beg, I don't bring her come aside. You understand? For now, we don't know what they share. Join me, make we watch Anita.
I'm Anita, the girl going viral on Instagram, on social media right now. So yesterday, what happened yesterday when I got home, my boyfriend called me to Uganda yesterday that I should come to Uganda, and I heavily followed him because I trusted him. When I got there, at the receptionist there, they started beating me, they molested me. My ex-boyfriend came and he took my phone, started posting all videos, taking it viral, and everything that I was saying was all wrong about me. I never did anything. Please, you guys should help me. I'm innocent of all everything.
Which one is yesterday? Yesterday. He called me yesterday. I went there yesterday. No, wait till be yesterday. Your English self, I don't even understand that. Sweetheart, Biko, concentrate on your upcoming JAM exam or GCE, anyone where you write. See your English. You dey do relationship. Yesterday. And yesterday. Nobody yesterday. Now you dey come outside oh, may will help you, may will fight your boyfriend for you, then tomorrow now, you and this your boyfriend, una go back together, they continue this nonsense relationship. Abi? Then una go use us settle, we go become third party. Nobody is helping you, my sister, help yourself. You go ask me how, I go tell you. Focus on yourself. Quit that forsaken relationship where the relationship there. Quit them. Because I don't even they see this thing is not a relationship. Now chop clean out. Now what you they do? He gives you money. How much safe? See how you even look for the video safe. How much did they give you? Instead of make you focus for your school. Wait oh. Una sure say this girl wanna just watch. Don't even reach SS3. Una sure say this girl don't finish SS. They come outside. Help me. Help me with my boyfriend. Help me with my man. Girls, girls. The one that sabi fall our hand. The one that sabi fall our hand. I no just understand. Una go see something, now una go still wait. Me person come tell una say, na this thing oh, na this thing oh. The coven one that they use take find all these boyfriends and waiting I never understand. Una they enter coven, go find man. Because if not be the normal place where we they find because I don't understand. Una all always they different. Chai! The system now don't fail us. Even parents join fail us. No, very serious because this one now. No, why this girl? Why this girl go even date this kind of situation by now? Gone are the days when our parents go tell you say, before you go date, before I go even hear am, you go date university. Gone are those days. Even when we dey secondary school self, where we dey do 1-2, we still dey hide am. But now, the generation where we dey, everybody, in fact, they even boast. Some of them now they even they sleep outside. See this one, even sleep for hotel. Those days, my mother. 7 o'clock, they no born me, they no born my father. Then in fact, they not even born my whole generation. May 7 o'clock meet me outside. Those days, who you be? Who born dog? You know fit try and wait till you want talk. Everything where you need inside house, water to drink, oil, my mama go make sure say she they provide everything where you need. Another one they take us to another one now. Parents now they don't too lazy. They allow their children go outside bring money for them. Now this one they bring disrespect. Now this one they bring disrespect when person no say no. Just imagine I feed you, you no get mouth. Even if you be my mama, as long as say I dey feed you, you go shut up. Gone are the days. Now they even they post am for social media. Are they relationship? No, see this one. When you suppose dey school, you suppose sit down with your mates, they solve assignments. You dey here, they do relation. If I give this guy slap, if I give you slap, trust me, your English go correct. Oh, you go reset. They here they talk relationship. He do this, he do that. God know. God know. You know why you don't give me people like this for my life? Because I go see you go get sense by force. You don't feel them my side and you they misbehave. Especially with things like this, you go get sense. My people now by force, you go get time. We slap. By the time I don't give you one, you go reset. Very, very important. Now, she don't come out. May you help her with the boy. May you help her with the boy. Where your parents dey, my sister? Where your family members dey? Una go dey do secret relationship. Matter don't cast now, you go dey look for help. I beg, if you feel say this guy they threaten you, report him. But only me, in my own advice, come on for that relationship. Move, sister. Very, very important. Move. What did they do with a person like this? No, sit down there until one of your eye come out. They go use and do suya. Now there you go know. My people, now the matter be this. How many of you are ready to help him? Because me, I'm too busy. I'm too busy chasing money. And I ain't got time for this nonsense. You got what I'm saying? I will drop your comment for that comment section and share this video so that everybody go know where till they happen for one-on-one TV. When I know say with us, no dumb moment, we they bring you hot as it hot right from the source. So I beg and make sure say you subscribe. If not, I wonder how you want the updated, elevated, evaporated. Sorry, the English don't come again. I beg, stay tuned for our next story.